Glycolysis. The breakdown of glucose to pyruvic acid is called glycolysis. The term glycolysis has originated from the Greek words glykos for sugar and lysis for splitting. The scheme of glycolysis was discovered by Emden, Meyerhoff, and Pernas, and is often known as EMP pathway. Glycolysis is common to all living organisms. Both aerobic as well as anaerobic respiration begin with glycolysis. In this phase, oxygen is not utilized. Glycolysis occurs in the cytoplasm matrix of cells. During glycolysis, glucose is converted into 2 molecules of pyruvic acid. In this phase, first of all, an enzyme hexokinase use of ADP and breaks it into ADP, the released molecule of phosphate joined to carbon number 6 of glucose, converting it into glucose 6-phosphate now. Glucose 6-phosphate is converted into its isomer fructose 6-phosphate through molecular rearrangement. Now, fructose 6-phosphate is again phosphorylated with the help of ADP forming fructose 1,6-biphosphate. During this, ADP is converted to ADP. Fructose 1,6-biphosphate splits and 2 molecules 3-carbon phosphoglyceraldehyde (PGL) and dihydroxyacetone phosphate (DHAP) come into existence. Both these triose sugars are interconvertible. Normally, dihydroxyacetone phosphate is converted into phosphoglyceraldehyde. Thus 2 molecules of 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde are formed. Energy will now be released in the subsequent phase. Till now, 2 molecules of ADP are consumed. Each molecule of 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde is oxidized and 2 H+ are released from it. The released components are accepted by NAD forming NADH2. Simultaneously, a molecule of inorganic phosphate is also added. As this happens, 1,3-biphosphoglyceric acid (BPGA) is formed. This phase of reactions constitutes phosphorylation phase. Now the phase of dephosphorylation begins. 1,3-biphosphoglyceric acid is dephosphorylated and it is converted to 3-phosphoglyceric acid, PGA. The phosphate thus released from the substrate combines with ADP and forms ADP. This is called substrate phosphorylation. Now, 3-phosphoglyceric acid is first converted into 2-phosphoglyceric acid and then into phosphenol pyruvic acid (PEP). Water is released during this process. Phosphenol pyruvic acid is dephosphorylated and converted into pyruvic acid. The phosphate, released from the substrate, combines with ADP and forms ADP. Let's see the summary from single glucose by glycolysis. 2 molecules of ADP are used in return 4 ADP are obtained, hence we will get net profit of 2 ADP. Moreover, we will also get 2 molecules of NADH2 and pyruvic acid.